Last but not least, in individual reminders, I'm not going to go under device because this is dealing with topaz signature pads and methadone dispensers, and so we're not going to cover that. But I am going to show you this restore deleted file. Okay. What's nice about the restore deleted is every once in a while we all get a little click happy and we can accidentally delete a note or sometimes even a chart. Now, if you go to delete something, ICANotes will say, hey, are you sure you want to delete this? And if you click again, it's gone. But it comes in here to this area. So I have deleted notes, deleted charts, and deleted treatment plans. And all I have to do to restore these is to click the little restore button, and this information will come back automatically. What is nice about this is you're probably saying, well, how long does it stay in here? For 7 years. So if you delete something, it will be in here for 7 years, and then it will fall out. But you have 7 years to get that information back. This has been really helpful as far as a lot of, sometimes we've had situations where they're angry staff and they go in and delete all your charts. It's fine. Don't worry about them. They're right here. We can restore them to their original ability. You can just come in here. You don't even have to tell us. You just restore them. Now that I've talked about deleting notes and charts, if you want, in the Security Center, there is, by user, you can determine who has the ability to delete and not delete. So you can just make it where people can't delete stuff. And that's a really easy fix in the Security Center. So you're able to do that. So that's one of the things that is very, very helpful. You can just change, again, settings in the Security Center.